បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនអរគ្នាអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់វីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញបងប្អូនអំពីរបៀបដោះស្រាយនៅពេលដែលបងប្អូនបង្កើត account Facebook អត់បាននៅពេលដែលបងប្អូនបង្កើត page បានអញ្ចឹងនេះជាដំណោះស្រាយរបស់ខ្ញុំតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង account នៅពេលដែលយើងបង្កើតអត់បានដោយយើងដឹងអំពីមូលហេតុវាទី1យើងដឹងហើយ spam បើសិនជា device របស់យើង spam យើងដូរ device ថ្មីព្រោះដោយសារអីទី1តាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង device មួយវាតែងតែមានលេខ serial របស់វាឯងដូចទូរស័ព្ទវាមានលេខ serial ឬក៏លេខ IMEI ទូរស័ព្ទអញ្ចឹងទៅ computer វាមានលេខ serial លេខ IMEI របស់ computer អញ្ចឹងទៅឬក៏ហៅលេខអីផ្សេងលេខម៉ាស៊ីនលេខអីអញ្ចឹងណា iPad ឬក៏អីផ្សេងគឺវាតែងតែមានលេខ serial របស់វាឯងអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជា Facebook វាយកអាលេខ serial ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងរបស់យើង device របស់យើងហ្នឹងយកទៅញាត់ចូលទៅក្នុង blacklist របស់វាហើយអញ្ចឹងសួរថានៅពេលដែលយើងយក account Facebook របស់យើងនេះឬក៏យើងបង្កើត account ថ្មីនៅក្នុង device ដែល Facebook ដាក់ឲ្យជាប់ blacklist ហើយនេះយើងបង្កើតបានអត់ 100% គឺបង្កើតអត់បានទេ device មួយហ្នឹងស្ទើរថាបងប្អូនយក account ផ្សេងដែលកំពុងតែលេងនៅក្នុង device ផ្សេងយកមកដាក់នៅក្នុង device មួយហ្នឹងមិនយូរទេកន្លះម៉ោងគឺជាប់180ថ្ងៃតែម្ដងឬក៏ block account យើងចោលដោយសារអី device ហ្នឹងមកអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវបដូរ device ថ្មីដើម្បីបានលេខ serial ថ្មីអញ្ចឹង Facebook ចាប់អត់បានទេហ្នឹងទី1ដំណោះស្រាយបែបហ្នឹងគឺបដូរ device បាទដំណោះស្រាយទី2 IP បើសិនជាយើងដឹងថា IP នឹង spam ហើយហេតុអីបានយើងមិនបដូរ IP របៀបបដូរ IP មានច្រើនប្រភេទទី1បើបងប្អូនបងប្អូនប្រើសេវាកម្មអ៊ីនធឺណិតរបស់ក្រុមហ៊ុនអ៊ីនធឺណិតបងប្អូនតែក្រុមហ៊ុនបងសុំបដូរ IP ដោយសារ IP របស់ខ្ញុំមូលហេតុ1 2 3ចឹងទៅប្រាប់គាត់ទៅអញ្ចឹងខាងក្រុមហ៊ុនគាត់នឹងផ្លាស់បដូរ IP ឲ្យយើងហើយអាហ្នឹងករណីយើងប្រើ Wi-Fi ទី1ករណីដែលយើងប្រើ hotspot ពីទូរស័ព្ទអាហ្នឹងអត់ពិបាកទេគឺគ្រាន់តែយើងបិទ hotspot ហើយបើថ្មីវិញ IP នឹង direct auto ដូរតែម្ដងអាហ្នឹង hotspot ពីទូរស័ព្ទហើយបើយើងប្រើ 3G ទី3យើងប្រើ 3G ខ្ញុំសូម recommend ប្រើប្រាស់ប្រព័ន្ធ2ដល់ប្រព័ន្ធតែមួយទេគឺ cell card មិនមែនខ្ញុំប្រម៉ូទឲ្យ cell card ទេប៉ុន្តែតាមបទពិសោធន៍គឺយើងប្រើប្រាស់ cell card គឺវា smooth ល្អហើយវាអត់ងាយ spam តែបើយើងប្រើ smart ในការប្រើគេច្រើនគឺ spam អានេះបទពិសោធន៍របស់ខ្ញុំណាប៉ុន្តែបើបងមួយចំនួនផ្សេងទៀតគាត់ធ្លាប់ប្រើ smooth ដើរល្អអត់ spam អត់អីអាហ្នឹងជារឿងរបស់គាត់តែសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំហ្មងគឺខ្ញុំប្រើទៅវាប៉ះពាល់វា spam ចឹងច្រើនចឹងខ្ញុំអត់សូវប្រើទេព្រោះខ្ញុំប្រើតាមអ៊ីនធឺណិតគឺខ្ញុំប្រើតែអ៊ីនធឺណិត cell card ទេគឺដើរ smooth ដើរល្អអត់សូវ spam ច្រើនទេអញ្ចឹងរបៀបបដូរ 3G អ៊ីនធឺណិតអត់ពិបាកទេបងប្អូនយើងបើកកប៉ាល់ហោះក្នុងទូរស័ព្ទឬក៏យើងធ្វើមិនក៏ដោយបើប្រើប្រាស់ក្នុងទូរស័ព្ទងាយស្រួលណាស់បាត់កប៉ាល់ហោះទុករយៈពេល15នាទីហើយយើងបើកមកវិញអញ្ចឹង IP របស់យើងនឹងធ្វើការផ្លាស់ប្ដូរ auto direct តែម្ដងដោយសារអី IP គេសារ IP ខ្ញុំមិនស្គាល់ច្បាស់ទេបងប្អូនអាច check មើលបានកន្លែងហ្នឹងណាប៉ុន្តែគឺយើងធ្វើបែបហ្នឹងគឺ IP នឹងបដូរ auto ហើយអញ្ចឹងសួរថា IP របស់យើងលេង spam ហើយ device របស់យើងក៏លេង spam ដែរយើងដោះស្រាយបាន2ណាអញ្ចឹងនៅសល់3ទៀតនៅសល់2ទៀតសល់2សួរថាឈ្មោះចុះបើសិនជាយើងដឹងថាឈ្មោះរបស់យើងហ្នឹងវា spam ហើយយើងមិនផ្លាស់ប្ដូរវាទៅដាក់ឈ្មោះអីផ្សេងទៅពីមុនយើងដាក់ឈ្មោះ Linda ចឹងទៅ Linda ចឹងទៅអញ្ចឹងបើយើងសង្កេតឃើញថាឈ្មោះ Linda ហ្នឹងយកទៅបង្កើតខូចចឹងយើងកំប៉ាល់ឈ្មោះ Linda យើងប្រើឈ្មោះអីផ្សេងមករៀបរាប់ដោយសារឈ្មោះហ្នឹង Facebook វាញាត់ចូលក្នុង blacklist របស់វាហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងមិនបង្កើតទៀតទេបង្កើតតមកបញ្ហាទៀតទេអញ្ចឹងរៀបរាប់ដំណោះស្រាយទី4តាក់ទងអំពីការបំពេញព័ត៌មានអញ្ចឹងរៀងរាល់ការអាប់ដេតម្ដងរបស់ Facebook វាតែងតែឆែកមើលទៅលើ account របស់យើងហើយតើក្នុង account Facebook របស់យើងមានព័ត៌មានពេញលេញអត់ដើម្បីឲ្យវាមើលឲ្យដឹងថាម្នាក់ហ្នឹង account ម្នាក់ដែលប្រើប្រាស់ account ហ្នឹងគឺជាមនុស្សគាត់ឲ្យគាត់កំពុងតែលេង account ហ្នឹងធ្វើមិនក៏ដោយបងប្អូនបំពេញព័ត៌មានមិនក៏ដោយដើម្បីធ្វើមិនឲ្យ Facebook គាត់ថាយើងកំពុងតែលេង account មួយហ្នឹងយើងមិនមែនជា bot ទេយើងមិនមែនជាអ្នកចិញ្ចឹម account ទេធ្វើមិនក៏ដោយអញ្ចឹងបំពេញព័ត៌មានទី1 account Facebook ហ្នឹងត្រូវមានលេខទូរស័ព្ទដែលកំពុងតែប្រើប្រាស់ទី2 account Facebook មួយហ្នឹងកំពុងតែមាន email ប្រើប្រាស់ទី3 email account Facebook មួយហ្នឹងគឺយើងអត់ log ចូល device ផ្សេងញ៉ៃច្រើនទេ device គឺតែមួយទេហើយហ្នឹងណាគឺ device តែមួយទេហើយលក្ខខណ្ឌរបស់ Facebook យើងអាច log ចូលបានអាចថា2 device ចាប់ computer មួយទូរស័ព្ទមួយលើសពីហ្នឹងបងប្អូនខ្លះប្រើបានបងប្អូនខ្លះទៀតគាត់ប្រើអត់បានទេដោយសារអីវា device ច្រើន Facebook អត់ recommend ឲ្យយើងប្រើប្រាស់ device ច្រើនជាងទេมันអាច account មួយដាក់5ទូរស័ព្ទបានទេมันអាច account មួយដាក់5 computer បានទេបងប្អូនដាក់បានពេលដែល Facebook មិនទាន់ចាប់នៅពេលដែលចាប់ហើយបងប្អូនគឺស៊ីដាក់ account មួយបាត់ហើយនឹងបាត់ហើយបាទអញ្ចឹងរួចរាល់អានេះជាដំណោះស្រាយរបស់ខ្ញុំហើយតាក់ទងជាមួយ page វិញ page បើសិនជាករណីបងប្អូនដោះស្រាយចំណុចទី1ទី2ទី3ទី4ហើយនៅទី5ទៀតអញ្ចឹងអត់ពិបាកទេបើកើតដៃមិនបានបងប្អូនប្រើប្រាស់ extension ហើយ extension មួយនេះខ្ញុំសូមបញ្ជាក់ប្រាប់បងប្អូនដែរប្រើប្រាស់ extension វាជាប្រភេទកូដហ្នឹងមិនខ្ញុំអ្នកសរសេរទេកូដហ្នឹងគឺបរទេសអ្នកសរសេរទេអញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលបងប្អូនយក extension ហ្នឹងមកប្រើប្រាស់ត្រូវធ្វើការទទួលខុសត្រូវដោយខ្លួនឯង nhóm ở thành địa tha cậu nó về đã từ ai mình cái hay account những cứ miền ấy nhóm ở thành địa thì còn đặt thá code mùi nắng rồi gọi extension nắng nhóm do mọi install không chuẩn bỏ nhóm nhóm prap và cà phê cà đây prap check đi check đồ ban thằng đa về nó nè phần ta này có tới gọi account mà bom ôn mà đi mất nhóm anh nhóm ở tôi có thời tỷ và extension nắng cứ mùi nè chẳng cho vào mưa thằng này ní chỉ extension để như các bạn bom ôn cho lại trống browser mất sẽ biết tháนี่นะไปดูย้อนในมาดับsb account.io มาวิ่งจังไงอะไรต่อยืดสไลด์วิ่งมวยมันต้องมาเทียบต่อนี่บอมเอามือจะอันนั้นงานในที่จังยืนมาย่อยชอนไปที่อย่างนี้เป็นดักโจตึกขนมปลายที่อะไรยืนอาจารย์ใบขวางที่ยืนเมื่ออะไรเกมอ่ะนี่อะไรมาวิจารณ์โลกอันนี้จังในในช่างไงอันนี้จังในในช่างไงอันนี้ทำไมในประกาศมีแต่ทำไมยังสอบเพลินได้อันนี้นะอันนี้ใหญ่ชอนอันนี้มาวิเฟซบุ๊กได้อะไรเยอะจังมาที่ยืนย่อฟิซอร์ทั้งหัวจะดูเตอร์เว็บอัตราของไฟซ้อตายแต่ด่าเด็กชั่วโมงนึงนี่ที่สมควรเหมือนนะต่ออะไรยังจอดเบียร์มวยมาต่อไปตีนยอม extension นั้นยอมมาดักน้องจ้อมหายอมมาบอกการเพย์ต่อจังในปีใดบอมบ์อนจอมมาดาวเว็บไซต์ทั้งห้าบอมบ์อนถ่ายเช็คมือเนี่ยนี่ปีระเบียบในการปราบปรามนี่มืออันนี้มีเมนโซจีซอฟต์วิดีโอคลิกเอายืมมือจังเสียบจังอัปบาตีต่อเมาส์บอมบ์อนสไลด์เบียร์นี่สไลด์ให้โอมาดักเป่าเมาส์โจมบาตีจังตัดปัญหาที่เอาเมียนคือไอชอนตีในnhómตลาดไม่ได้ซะnhómตลาดวิริวหายจังเดี๋ยวไปบอมออนตลาด extension นั่งหายnhómส่งตลาดต้องขอมาทำเทียบคือปรับละประตูเขาเดินคนเองหลายนังนะต่อจังเดี๋ยวไปเดี๋ยวโจหลายนังหายบอมออนปรับละ extension บอมออนถือมัดโจหลายนี่มาแอนได้เจอมาไปปรับละ extension นั่งนะหัวเบอร์ซันเยอะโจในแอนได้เจอตีคือยังปรับละอัดบานตียังปรับบางกับเราเซอร์ในเมื่อเขาไปสู่อยู่ในมุ้ยต่อมาบานยังโจอันนั้นจุดนั้นคือเราที่มีตัวโตเดินได้เมาแอปในจอไว้จังยังชอบเลยแค่แอปในจอยังต่อมายังจอยแต่เลย extension บ่อยอยู่ต่อโอเคจังมีแจ้งไง extension บ่อยอยู่อันนี้ยังดีแฟร์ดีกว่าขนม extension นี้วิมีนมุกในเชิญมุกในคลาสเผาบ้านมุกในคลาสเผาบ้านได้ซะวิอัปเดตทำแต่ชั้นปีปอนอภัยบุญที่โดยเฉลี่ยชั้นปีปอนอภัยบุญเทียบโดยเฉลี่ยมีการอัปเดตประทายใหม่หลายหนักนะบ้าเอาไว้จะยังปราบละมวยเบี้ยบ้านอันนี้อันนี้มวยเบี้ยอัดโหลดก็มันคลาวได้นี่จังเนี่ยบอกคนเคยเนี่ยเดี๋ยวไอเช็คมือแอดแอคเคาท์ยังมีมาแอดaccount สำหรับเขามาย่อมนิ่มมวยต้องเอามีบุญนมบัตรอาหารตกตะมวยเด็กเพราะนี่สำหรับช่วยเป็นองค์การบอกเอาในมืออันนี้เป็นบางท่าลิมิตนี่ลิมิตอันนี้$50อันนี้ประมาณนี้ได้ลงใช้กี่ที่หนึ่งคลิกตั้งอันนี้50อันนี้50อันนี้ดิจาร์ต่างมาเนี่ยอันดิจาร์ต่อเพจยัง extension นี้ยังไอใช้บ้านเฉินมุกเงี้ยบางคนจ้องใช้จีเพจจังขอคัน Facebook มือนั้นบีเมนเพจอีกแล้วคือเว็บบางท่าในคำนั้นเลยบางคนใช้มือได้นี่สตัดเพจไอมีนไลฟ์ฟอลโล่ประมาณคือเว็บบางท่าทางนั้นโดยที่มาช่วยงานไอ้วิจัยยูจิมีในทางเพย์บ่อยยืนนั่งจีเพย์ตรงนู้นทำไมเพย์ตรงนู้นทำไมเพย์คลาสสิกจ้ะเอาสมตัวเพย์เอาต่อฟ้าล่ะเป็นเพย์คลาสสิกเองอันนี้เพย์คลาสสิกจ้ะแต่ใช้ไม่ใช่มาคืนต่ออะไรยังผมกับความช้อนดีจอมวิจัยบิสเนสยังจังขนมข้าวบ่อยยมนี่มีบีอัมหมานหรือเป็นได้ยังปลายสเตนซันนี่ยังอาจใช้มือบ้านไหนบีอัมมวยสมมติมิสเตอร์การมวยหกมวยแต่มีลิมิตอาจใช้บ้านขนมไงปีหอย$50ขนมไงอันนี้บีอัมลิมิตอันนี้ข้าวนี่มีแต่มวยเถอะโอเคxây tiết bom bóng đã chạy vào này tỏ lấy cho lại riêng lính để tăng chủ năngประกันเพย์บอมบอลเคยหลายเพย์นี่บอมบอลของเคยนี่คือดักเพย์นะคือแอดเพย์นิวเพย์จังยังจับเบียร์มวยมาครั้งนี้บีเบียนเอาเยอะเรื่องกัดตักรีเพย์เยอะจิ๋วเพย์เอเกเรื่องมีนากับบ้านใส่บอมบอลทีปีสไตล์เพย์บีเบียนไอเจนจิปีตำรวจจ้านั่งตำรวจทำไมตำรวจจ้าแรงเผาหายตำรวจทำไมคือยืนเผาธรรมดาตั้งหลายเอสพีแนมนี่สมุกเพย์จังอะไรยังดักสมุกไอRose store chúng ta là chúng ta một bạn này khác nào tỏ là dương và to tiền cho cụ mười máu cho mới thật tá dương và các bạn cái nào bị lột bạn đấy mình đây tham và các bạn để bóng phổ đại xa ấy phải khảo bảo nhóm đấy bia trà lột lột bể đấy phải đại dương của bóng tập càng nắng á phải đại dương của bóng tập anh phải đại dương bàn bạc cả đó bia trà lột lột bể thôi cái nào bia trà lột lột bể chết dương và các bạn thì tại bữa xongรับaccount របស់បងប្អូនឧទាហរណ៍ថា account ថ្មីគឺបង្កើតបានកន្លែងនេះពេលដល់ create ហើយវានឹងចេញលេខ UID របស់ page មកហើយលេខ UID របស់ page កាលណាវាចេញលេខ UID របស់ page ហើយមានន័យថាយើងបង្កើត page ថ្មីបានហើយយើងអាច check មើលនៅត្រង់នេះបានហើយខ្ញុំបញ្ជាក់ប្រាប់បងប្អូនបន្តិចបើសិនជាករណី account យើងថ្មីហើយយើងបង្កើតតាមនឹងហើយនៅមិនបានទៀតបងប្អូនត្រូវស្រឡឹងមើលទី1 IP របស់យើងត្រូវធ្វើការផ្លាស់ប្ដូរភ្លាមហើយប្រើ IP យកពីអ៊ីនធឺណិតបកស្រាយខាត់ទៅប្រើសុវត្ថិភាពឲ្យល្អហើយវាអត់សូវ spam អូខេអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនបង្កើតទៅតាមហ្នឹងទៅគឺចេញធម្មតាហើយសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលា